Hey guys, good morning. It's Tony. So I have been a little bit away from Stronger ever since the new token got converted from Strong to Stronger. As of right now, yes, Stronger is essentially going to be replacing the original Strong coin one for one. The Strong coin, as of right now, I don't want to say has no value. I do think the team will eventually put some value into it. But I think for the foreseeable future, I do not think Strong is actually going to have any value as far as for Strong block or the nodes. There's no way, there's no other way to put it. It literally has no value right now, and there's no reason for Strong to do anything but just go down, right? I mean, we can kind of look at the chart. I think it was like at $50, right? Yeah, it's at $37. There's no way that there's no way that anybody cares about Strong right now. No way. That's why you actually see some strength in Stronger. As of right now, Stronger is the coin that is going to be, like I said, replacing fully. And the only chart that we do have right now is this is that if you actually type in Stronger into TradingView, you get the only example, which is up here, the Stronger, the wrapped Ethereum versus the Stronger pair. But what you actually can do to get the live price is type in ETH USD, and then you want to divide that by the Stronger ticker that we were just looking at. So ETH USD divided by WETH Stronger. You click done, and it's going to give you, you're limited to the daily chart here. So you really only have the daily chart. You can't go anything lower. You can't see the 4 hour. You can't see the hour. I think you can see the weekly. Yeah, you can see the weekly, but the daily, anything under the daily is you're not going to be able to see. As of right now, that's the Stronger coin is at $81. I do think from here, because it is bouncing, it is giving that double wick. I do think it's headed back to 110, but I'm not using my reverse MACD and stochastic combo like I usually do to forecast this. It's based off of supply and demand, and that is what I will be using from now on for specifically for Stronger. That's literally what Stronger is. It's just going to be TA based off supply and demand, because that's all it is. You buy Stronger to create nodes, which create demand, and then the supply is when everybody sells, right? So as of right now, only going to be using support and resistance. I can't go on the lower time frames and show you the full chart because, obviously we're in the divided pair. So I will be using Stronger, the regular Stronger chart, just to kind of get an idea of what we can do. So what we want from this chart is we actually want it to go all the way back down. And this is basically my forecast for now. I do think that because it broke this small trend that it had going on, I do have it as of right now. I am pretty bearish on this chart. Basically means bullish on Stronger. The lower this chart goes, the higher the Stronger goes, right? You are breaking this trend right now. I do think that as of right now, we are going to be headed down to back to this 27 level, which would more than likely put us around that 110 area, right? You don't have a lot of support here at that 34 level, which is somewhere around $100. So you do have this high right here from April 6th. But I do think if this trend actually breaks to the downside, you're probably gonna come back to maybe $100, and then more than likely back to 110, which is exactly what we want. I wish I can use the other. I wish I can use the divided chart to show a better live price action, but I can't. But as of right now, this is basically what I'm using. I'm basically, because it broke trend, I think we're going to go all the way back down to this 27 area, which I think is going to be around the 110 area. So it's either going to come down, go to this 50 MA, which I do think it's going to hit and either bounce all the way back up, or it's going to go all the way back down, and we're probably going to go to like 110, possibly a little bit higher. But as of right now, Stronger is extremely hard to do TA on because, like I said, it's based off supply and demand. So it's more news-based than anything. And especially right now that the liquidity is low and you don't have a lot of the whales selling their supply or even starting to sell their rewards from these 100+ node whales have a ridiculous amount of money in supply, right? And more than likely they're waiting to have certain price hit before they sell. So I can assume that whales aren't going to be selling until maybe price goes back to like $100, and then they'll sell 1,000 coins and price will come crashing right back down, right? So that's really the issue here, is that there's a lot of selling pressure. This is basically the model. The model is you run nodes, you get rewards, and then you sell them, right? There's no incentive right now to keep holding and not sell your coin. So for the most part, there is a lot of selling pressure. It's just a model of the project itself. But as of right now, from what I can see on, from what I can use, even resemble TA, I do think we're probably headed back to maybe like a 100, 110 stronger coin from where we are now. And I think right now, the last time I checked it, we were at like 80 something, 70 something dollars. I don't think I even have, let me see. Oh yeah, and a quick update also, I'm at 8.2 stronger rewards. I'm at 8 nodes, so I will be more than likely creating another node, another node sometime this week, possibly tomorrow or Tuesday overnight. But the actual price is 81.77. So I can definitely see us going back to, like a 100, 110. But I think for the most part, big support is going to be on this 50 MA. And I think if it hits this 50 MA and breaks down, I think we're going all the way back down to possibly like 110, maybe 120. If not, we're probably going to go all the way down to like $60 or so, which kind of sucks to say, but I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.